0% APR financing. So when Courtesy Ford says sell, you know it's time to buy.
Let's change the channel. Let's go.
Lights is blinding, cars need blinders, so they can step out of bounds quick.
Excuse me, officer, is there a problem?
You were speeding.
I was?
Yes.
Wait, do you have any police ID? I need some, like, ID for the police badge. Okay. Okay, sure.
Okay, and I'm gonna have to ask you to get out of the car.
Okay, sure. What's the problem here, officer, though?
You were speeding.
Well, my speedometer says 0 miles an hour.
Get out of the car.
Okay. Okay, sir. No problem?
Get down.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hey, what are you doing with my car? Successful robbery.